The midterm elections are going to happen because it's in the Constitution. You mean the same Constitution that this administration is rendered useless and ignored by almost every person within the government? I don't know how to explain this to you, but just because you've got a mountain of case law and rules and ethics and logic and reason doesn't mean that you can possibly circumvent the fact that we have a petulant man-child in the Oval Office right now who seems to think that anything that touches the sun is obtainable by him, and that he is somehow birthright everything that he sees. Because right now, there's been a ton of things that shouldn't have happened, couldn't have happened, and there's no way he could ever be allowed to do that, and he's still done it anyway. So the idea to think that the midterm elections are absolutely going to happen because the states are the ones that control that, you mean the same states that are now being divided because you have the 9 that are basically being defunded and segregated away from the total amount? You mean those states? Because the Constitution was about uniting the states together and us ruling over the United States. But what happens if he segregates off 9? Or if he isolates some, or says, well, these 9 states are all to be seen as dangerous and we can't really secure the election results? I know I screwed that up. Point still made. Everything you think you know and all the logic and reason you stack up, and you could have as long of a list of reasons why the midterms will have to happen or should happen, and we need them to happen. But it doesn't change the fact that this guy has bent the Constitution up like a pretzel and violated it worse than all of the girls on the island.